Okay, now we're going to put on the back panel. This just slides into place, and you need to hopefully remember to preload the nuts in the previous steps, but you're going to use 6 of them. I've got some additional cutouts here for since this was original V0 plate, and I think it was designed for running a Bowden drive. But that's really it. So you need to put those 6 screws in there and you're good. Okay, and it probably looks better if you want it to be consistent. I'm using the textured side for the visible side, so I'm going to have the flat side or the glossy side on the back. Okay, and before you tighten everything down, just make sure it's as square as possible on all the edges, and adjust it as needed. Now is also a good time to poke your Z end stop wires through here, which I just went ahead and did. There's a nice little groove up top for that.